Okay, we're turning right on Boulevard. If you turn left on Boulevard, it'll take you down to the cyclorama. I think. Inman Park, I guess it is there. We're going to be crossing over, or crossing John Lewis Freedom Parkway. I'm going to turn that off. I have lost my bearings. Well, I hadn't lost my bearings, but I think this used to be Georgia Baptist here. Atlanta Medical Center now. But I could be telling you wrong, I'm not sure. I want to go up to Piedmont, go right down by Piedmont Park, go down by the Atlanta Botanical Garden, and then go right on down to Monroe, cross over those bridges. And check out the dates on those bridges. So I think the first one going down the hill from the Botanical Garden is 1936, but we'll find out shortly. If we went straight here, that would be Monroe, but we're going to turn left right here. This is Ponce de Leon. Okay, we're backtracking for a couple blocks from last week. VOA Tower. I'm going to turn it off again. And we're backtracking again a little bit. So we're going to turn right up here. Also, I'm making note again of all the cranes in Atlanta. I mean, there is so much construction going on. Anybody wants a job, you can get a job in Atlanta. I suspect you could even get a job if you can't pass a drug screen. People need help and are having a hard time finding people to work. We've just turned right on Piedmont. We're going to go down here and go past Piedmont Park, go past the Atlanta Botanical Garden. And work our way on out. Seen more of Atlanta than I care to see. I like riding the streets of Atlanta, but before the natives get up and start stirring around. Coming up on the intersection of 10th Street. Tell you, anybody who hadn't been around Atlanta in a while, you just would not recognize it. Can you imagine the cell phone capacity, the broadband capacity that's got to be, the infrastructure that has got to be in place to support all of this wireless function? Passing Piedmont Park on the right. I used to come up here and have a pint or two. I think that was called something different back then, though. Get in the right-hand lane and go slow. So the entrance to the Botanical Garden is right up here. Or used to be, I guess it still is. I haven't been in the Botanical Garden probably in 15 years. There is an elevated walking bridge that gets you up into the trees. This would be some good photography at night if these lamps are lit, or I guess like the other, even if they're not lit. When this flattens out down here and gets close to Monroe, we're going to check out this year this bridge was built. But again, this is an old railroad bridge, or a bridge over a railroad track, and I'm pretty sure it's part of the Beltway now. I think they have paved that and claim it as part of the Beltway. Pictures of all these bridges from 7, 8, 10 years ago. Who knows where they are? Okay, let's see, 1936, I was right. And I think each bridge, as we cross them going out, are going to be a progression of 1 year. Barbie is their co-pilot. Interesting. Cow tippers used to be up here on the left. I think it has been closed a long time. I'm not sure. Smith's Old Bar is still here and functioning. I had a pint or two in there as well. Yeah, there's a Chase Bank there at Cow Tippers now. Oh well, that was a good steak place. East Morningside goes off to the right there. Yeah, like I said, that intersection back there was Monroe Drive. Not that little one there, but the one previous. Civil War marker. I would love to do a driving tour and stop and get out and do individual tours of a lot of the Civil War, the major Civil War battles around Atlanta. Skirmishes or battles is all part of the Battle of Atlanta. Rock Springs will take you back over to North Decatur, down through Emory. And we'll be forking off of Piedmont onto Cheshire Bridge. And catch, I think, 2 or maybe 3 more of these old bridges. Stop and go, stop and go. How many people are going to stay with me during this video? Man. Now, as soon as I turn the camera off, the light turns green. Tokyo Aliento? What in the world is that? Somebody Google it, let me know what it is. And this section down through here was known for all the strip clubs. I don't know if they're still around here or not. Okay, we're going to be coming up on another bridge. They've done away with the blooming date mark. 1937 on this one, okay. This one down here, I think, is 38. Blue Rat Smoke Shop. 1938 or 39, one. 38. So I was right. 36, 37, 38. I think that's going to be all. Herman's used to be up here on the right. Babylon Cafe. Wonder what that is. Junior Varsity was over there to the left behind these buildings, where that new building is over there. The Brave Falcon was in this shopping center right up here. Hand raising, who partied at Brave Falcon? Well, I think we'll go out to Buford Highway and hit Buford Highway and go up. Under 85, could get on, but I'm not ready to get on. sorry. We will be on Buford Highway.